Hello everyone. So today I'm going to demonstrate three set notation using GeoGebra. So I have already done basic settings for GeoGebra. So this is default view. You can go to, so this will be the view at the beginning, and then if you click at this arrow, you will get default view option. And if you click here, this is the default view. And I'll also do the basic settings. So I'll bring the input bar on the offside, and for that I'll go to layout, and then I'll click on the input bar. I will get dialog box like this, and then I'll have to click on this. I'll get input bar at the upside, and I will also prefer to increase the font size to 18 point. Up to 18 point should be visible and should be clearly visible to all of you. So I'm going to increase the font size up to 18 point, and then we will proceed further. So for three sets, we are going to need set A, set B, and set C. So for that, I'm going to input equation of circle here. If I write equation of circle as x squared plus y squared less than equals 4. So there are various ways of typing less than equals to. If you press alt and less, you will get less than equal to, but I prefer to write in this format because it's easier for me. Enter. So I already have set A. Now I'm going to need set B. So for that purpose, I'm going to type equation. I want x minus 2 square plus y square plus y square less than equals 4. So I have another equation, and which is set B, and I'm also need set C. So I'm going to type equation of circle x plus 1. This is a trial and error. So if I get something that is not what I prefer, and I will just change the equation. You can always change the equation. Cos y plus 2 less than equals 4. Okay, I'm not going to need like this. So it should be x minus 1 should be fine. Okay, so this is trial and error. I already have set A, set B, and set C. Now I'm going to need universal set U. So for that purpose, I have to use linear equation. So if you clearly see in this diagram, in whatever it is, set A, set B, and set C, if you see, you will know that you will need x-axis. In x-axis, you will need -3 to 4.5, around 4.5, and the y-axis you need -4.5 to 3 should be fine. So I'm going to write here in the x-axis, as I have already said, I'm going to use linear equation -3 linear inequality. Maybe I think this is called linear inequality. I can use -3 less than equals x less than equals -3 less than equal to x less than equals to 4.5 should be fine. 4.5. Okay, I already got 2 lines here. And in the y-axis also, I also need the boundary. So that boundary is my universal set U. So I'm going to write and. You can also go to the symbol and write and, but I prefer to write like this. And so I'm going to need -4.5 less than equals to y less than equals to 3 should be fine. Okay, so I don't need this the line, the width of the line is much, so I'm just going to click on this picture. If I click on that picture, I will click move first, and then I will click on the picture. I'll get this. So if I go to the line option here, and I can make this 0. so that I only need this D, which is my universal set U. This is set A, set B, and set C. Now I'm going to define A only, B only, C only, A intersection B, BC, AC, and A intersection B intersection C, and A union B union C complement. So for that, I'm just going to write A0 equals A and not this one, and not is shift one, not A, and not B, and not C, not C. This is A not. I can also change the color. I can make it red. So this is A only. Similarly, I can do B only. B only equals B and B and not A, and not C. B and not A, not C. So this is my B not B only. And similarly, I can also show C only. C only equals to C and C and not A, and not B. So I have already got A only, B only, and C only. You can also see the shaded part here, A only, B only, and C only. Next, what I need is AB or A intersection B. So I will simply denote A intersection B with AB. So it will be simpler for me for later, for when I code, when I use the button. So okay, I'll delete this one for now. I'll just write AB. AB is A and B, A and B. So A and B is A and B, and not and not A and B and not C. This should be fine. A and B and not C. Let's see if I got it right. So I will uncheck this one, and this one. I will only show this one. So this is, I can change the color to yellow. Okay, I think I'm right. AB is only this part. If I say this one is set A and this one is set B, so AB is only this part, the common part of both the sets. Okay, we are on the right track. So next is, I'm going to define BC. BC equals to B and C, B and C, B and C, and not A. B and C and not A. Okay, let me change the color and see if I got it right. Okay, that part is, if I say this one is B and this is C, so common part will be this part, and it is already shaded with this color. Great. AB, BC, now AC. AC equals A and C and not A and C, A and C, this part, A and C, and not B, and not B. Let's see if I got it right. I will choose this color, maybe blue is okay. Okay, I got it right. AB, BC, and AC. Now next part is, we will define U complement. We will define A union B union C complement. So I will simply denote with U dash equals. So U dash will be D. It will be D, and D is universal set U. It will D and not A and not B and not C, not A and not B and not C. So so this is the only part that is A union B union C complement is this part. So it is already, it should be yellow and we got it right. U complement, and next is I'll need ABC. ABC equals to A and B and A and B and C. So I have already got this one, maybe red, it should be fine. Okay. I got A, B, C. I got A only. I got A only. I got B only. I got C only. I got A, B, B, C, A, C, U complement, and A, B, C. Let's just check all of this. Okay. Next is I'm going to need button. I'm going to need button. So for that, I will go to slider. I'll click on button and I'll click on one place. And I'll use latex n underscore o only A elements that belongs to only A. And then I will write the script here. I'll say set color bracket A0. We have already defined A0 as color. We'll choose color blue. We'll choose color blue. And next is set color. Next is B0. We'll set color. Rest of the color will be white. Rest will be white. And similarly, set color AB. C0, let's say C0. C0 white. C0 white. I'll just copy this one for rest. Control C, and I can write here enter. Control V, so it will be not C0, it will be AB, and again enter, and Control B, enter, Control B, enter, Control B, enter, Control V. So A0, B0, C0, AB. So I'm going to do BC, BC, and this will be AC, and this will be ABBC AC, and this will be U gas, and this will be ABC. I wrote from here the sets we have defined: A only, B only, C only, AB. So it will be the same as this one. If you have written AO, then you have to write here AO. For me, I have wrote A0, so that I also wrote here A0, so that it will match with this one. So what I did here is elements that falls on only on set A. So I have to use different color over here, and rest will be white. So I'll click OK. Before that, I will copy this one for later, and then I'll click it OK. So I will start getting, but let us move further, and then and not define and not B, and not B, and then I'll copy paste here. So it will be white. A0 will be white. So this is the element B, only set B. So it will be with different color. Maybe I will write not blue. Let's say another color. Violet should be good. And rest are white. So this is already correct. And not B. We can also check if this is working or not. We can click here to move, and then we'll click here. Okay, it is working. It is working well. So now our vertex are disappearing. So let us first of all make this visible and all of these sets. So for that purpose, I am going to say vertex D. Our vertex is D, universal set, and then we'll choose line segment. We will click here and then drag up to E, and then we'll click here, drag up to D, we'll click here and drag up to B, and then we'll click here and drag up to C. Next is, I also need, this is also disappearing. So I'm going to need a equation, x square plus y square, x square plus y square equals 4. This is one equation. And next equation is x minus 2 square, x minus 2 square plus y square equals 4. We will just replace less than equal to with equal in this equation because this thing is disappearing, so we need extra layer. So for that purpose we are doing this steps, we are following these steps. And next is x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square plus x minus y whole square plus y plus 2, y plus 2 whole square equals 4. I'll confirm if this is the right equation from here. Maybe I think this is the right equation, but also let us check. Let's be sure. X minus y square plus y plus 2. Yeah, I think this is correct. Now what we have to do is we are going to click on equation 1. We will go to object properties. We'll go to object properties, and then we will go to advanced. We will go to advanced, click on advanced, and then in this layer, just click on 2. Okay, and click on next equation. We'll get 0, make it 2. And right click on third equation, you will get 0, click on 2, and cancel this one. Now we are getting this one. If I click on N only A, only B, have already 2 set notation already. Now I'm going to need only C. So we will proceed further. I will click on button, and then we will write in caption and only C. So we have already copied that one. We'll just paste this one. So it will be in C0, it will be green, red star white. Very easy, right? Red star white, WHIT white, red star white. Okay, right click and drag wherever you need. And then again, we are going to need A intersection B. For the intersection, we have to write. So use $sign. It will be latex format, and then you write N_0 A /CAP cap, give a space, and B. This will give intersection A intersection B. And so we'll just paste it here. A0 will be white. A0 will be white. Only the part AB will be with another color. So let us say color will be okay, CYAN should be fine, I think. C1 or CIN, but let us write red, color red. Okay, red star white. Okay, let's see if it is working. Let's see if it is working or not. Yes, it is working. And A and B and C, A intersection B, and C and A intersection B. All of these sets are working well. Let's proceed further. Go to button and click here. A intersection B. Now we need B intersection C. So click on dollar and not B. I'll reset /cap intersection C and dollar. So I'm going to need copy paste, and this is B intersection C. So only BC will be with another color. Let's say yellow. yellow and others are white. So this will be white. White. Okay. Rest no need, right? B intersection C. Let's do a little bit. Let us increase our speed and not now C intersection A. C intersection A. C intersection A, and then in the script, let's paste this one. This will be white. This will be white, and this is CA, right? So AC. Okay, this will be CYAN. Okay, let's see if it's working. Okay, it's working. Now let's move forward. You see, now I need A union B union C complement. So for the complement, I am going to write an underscore complement. For the complement, I'll just write slash overline, OBERLINE overline, and I'll give curly bracket A union B union C complement, and this overline will give complement, and then bracket close and a lot. So I'll paste this one. This will be white, 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 and this one, you guess, this is the complement, right? This is the complement. So I'm going to use different color for this one. I'll again write violet, and this will be white. Okay, fine. This is A union B union C complement. Now A intersection B intersection C. Just write A intersection B intersection C. So for that, dollar, and I'm going to end not A slash cap intersection B slash cap intersection C. A intersection B intersection C. Dollar, and then for the script section, I'm going to need A0 is not blue. This will be white. Only the part that is ABC will be another color. So I like yellow. Like yellow. Yellow looks good. Okay, I guess we have completed and not A and not B. Let's check if it is working or not. This is an A. Let's say cancel and click on move. This is an A and B and C. A intersection B, B intersection C, C intersection A, and complement A intersection B intersection C. Yes, working well. So let's add in this one in sequential order. A intersection B and B intersection C and C intersection A. Okay, first of all, now I don't need grid. So I'll just click on this one. I don't need axis. I don't need equation also. I'll just click on here and click on uncheck the show label. I don't need equation. Click on show label. I don't need this label. Uncheck the label from all the coordinates given here. Uncheck, 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 uncheck. I don't need label here also. So label, no need. So label, no need. EC, so label, no need. AB, so label, no need. So label, no need. A, so label, uncheck, uncheck, uncheck. Right click and uncheck, so label. Right click, uncheck, show label. Right click and uncheck, show label. Right click, uncheck, show label. Oh, I'm getting it again and again. Let's see, U, that is U gas, right? I don't need U gas, so label. Okay, I think it is working well. Now I can arrange this one. Now I can arrange this one. Maybe I'll keep it here. For now, I'll keep it here. For now, I also don't need this algebra part. And then I'll click this, close this one. Now a little bit, just a minute. Now I'm going to need text. So I'll just write set A. LaTeX formula should be looks attractive. and again set B. Latex would look attractive. Set C. Make it more attractive. Okay, and one more. We're going to need universal set U, and this also okay. Now we'll drag this one to set A. We'll drag this one to set B. We'll drag C to set C. So keep it here. Okay. Okay, here or wherever you want. Okay, here should be fine. I'll keep this one over here. So just a little bit work is remaining. I'll click on this one and text, and I need bold. I'll make it medium should be fine. And I'll make this one also bold and medium. This one also bold and medium. This one also bold, medium. I guess now it will be working well. Let's check one last time, and then we will end this video. I think this video is helpful for all of the students who have to study set theory. So this is N only A. You can notate. You can do the notation like this. And B and C. It is so dynamic. B intersection C, C intersection A and B and C complement. This is A intersection B intersection C. You can also include the number of elements in the set A. You can also include if U is 1 to 20, and then you can also solve the problem like that. And you can also solve problem including A intersection B, A intersection C, B intersection C, C intersection A, complement and intersection of all the sets, the common part of all three of them. Okay, now I can also write my name over here. You can go to text, and then you can write here, prepared by Manoj. Prepared by Manoj. Okay, I'll keep it over here. And if you want to save this one, you can do it very easily. After using these options, these functions, you have to always have to pick and move. And if you go to file, and you can also save from here, you can save in the desktop, and then you can upload wherever you want to upload. And you can also bring into the classroom, and this will be very effective. Students will visualize the set theory. The student will visualize 3 sets and all of the set notations, and it will be very effective, and it will also enhance their understanding, because the visualization can prolong the understanding. They can remember in the exam as well. They can remember the picture it is more effective by if you show the picture, rather just if you just tell the students to imagine the things. You can use this software to visualize the concept of set theory. So with that, I'm going to sign off. Thank you so much.